To Taraba State now, where government is optimistic its students will perform optimally in the ongoing school leaving certificate examinations despite the COVID-19 pandemic. The Commissioner for Education, Johanes Jigem, in an interview with Tvcnew, believes the state will retain its first position among states in the Northeast at the end of this year's WASC and NECO examinations due to the early proactive measures instituted by Governor Darius Ishaku. Correspondent Owolabi Adenusi filed in this report.
Dilapidated buildings and inadequate manpower were common features inherited by Governor Ishaku when he took over the reins of governance in Taraba State. Before now, both primary and secondary school pupils defied the weather to learn under trees, resulting in poor performances. Primary school enrollment dropped to an all-time low because only rich parents who could patronize private schools put their children in school. The narrative has now changed, and primary school teachers commend Governor Darius Ishaku for the ongoing revolution in the sector, which they claim has restored lost dignities. There has so far been impressive enrollment in public schools, even by rich parents.
The governor turned his searchlight on the primary education sector. As you can see, if you go around, you can see how all these blocks, more than 4 to 5 blocks, were renovated.
There are a lot of improvement as regard to the primary education in Taraba State. One of the aspects of that assessment is constant training and retraining of teachers.
We thank God for the administration of Architect Darius Ishaku. In fact, the lost glory of education sector in Taraba State has been properly restored by Architect Darius Ishaku's administration.
The path to development of any nation or state lies in education. It is a fact that Governor Darius Ishaku recognizes, and what has made him focus a lot on improving the standard of education in Taraba State. Infrastructural development in primary and secondary schools are given priority in this year's budget, and over 3,000 teachers have been injected into the sector.
He engaged about 3,000 teachers when he discovered that the system was lacking manpower, personnel.
The Commissioner for Education, Johanes Jigem, is optimistic that this alone will ensure the state retains its leading position in the zone at the end of this year's school certificate examinations.
And our prediction is that we are going to do more better.
Taraba State was declared best performing state in the northeastern part of the country by both WAEC and NECO in 2018 and 2019. Invariably, the Ishaku administration has written its name in gold, having transformed the educational sector.